Go. My name is Brody, and we're planting seeds. It's at home, and lots of them are in our pots. So one of them is even magical, which is this one. Anytime you touch it, it will go away.
What is it called?
A jalapeno.
No, that one's Mimosa pudica. Can you say it?
A mimosa
Pudica?
pudica. Yeah.
Mhm.
Sorry.
That's
about
okay.
that.
Okay, what's next?
So then we have our corn right here. Our gigantic American sunflower. And our pretty ones right here. That look like this guy right here and that. Yeah, so we have that done. And we have a regular pumpkin. Where's the pumpkin? Right here.
That what word is on there? It's not pumpkin.
Is it this?
It's the one that you think is hot. But
The pepper.
yeah.
The pepper.
Mhm.
Pepper. It's the best peppers in the world.
They are.
My mom says.
Oh.
But I don't really like peppers because they're spicing me up.
They're spicing you up? Well, those are sweet peppers, so they won't be spicing you
Where
up.
is the pumpkin?
My pumpkin? You already showed one pumpkin. There's another.
Mine.
Oh, right in the front there.
Right here.
Yeah, well, that one says mom. That's-
So here is my pumpkin. This is Mom's pumpkin.
Right here.
They're big. Oh, sorry. This is what?
That's sunflower, I think.
What about this?
That says pumpkin.
Pumpkin. So here's my mom's pumpkin. They're both separated to be the both same pumpkins. We're going to have a gigantic garden because we already have carrots. And we do have carrots, and our garden will barely have any space to.
Yeah, do you think Charlotte will eat all of our seeds?
We have
Think
a
about-
dog that's really crazy, though. She might eat them.
She might eat them.
I don't know if she will.
So, what's the deal with the pumpkins? What are we hoping to use them for?
For Halloween.
Well, what time of year is it right now? Is it Halloween? It's
Yeah.
What month is it right now?
Spring. It's the spring shower. Our carrots. Where are they? Carrot.
No, that's corn. We don't have any carrots in there. We'll plant them directly into the soil when it gets warm.
Okay, so we'll have to plant our carrots in one of these pots.
Oh, and those, you want to plant the carrots? We could start them in there maybe, but right now we gotta use our pots for what we have them for.
Okay.
Is that
so
all we want to tell?
our carrots. Actually, sorry. But that you only have one carrot. Bye. Download that to get some more video of me.
More videos of you? Do you have a YouTube channel? You do? I didn't know you have a YouTube channel. Can you do that? Yeah, I think you ate some hot chocolate, maybe?
Yeah, I did a whole one.
A whole one?
When you said we could share it and I didn't want it.
Yeah.
And I drank the whole thing.
You did not.
Yes, I did.
Is that being honest? Say bye.
Bye.